Hi everyone, let's see how you can install Intel RST driver in Windows. To get started, simply search for System Information and open it. From here, click on Baseboard Product. Press Ctrl+C to copy this information. Open your browser and paste it. Now from the search results, go to your manufacturer's website. From here, you have to find the support and then the drivers section. Once you get in there, simply select your operating system. Then find the Intel RST driver and simply download it from there. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the file. Now go to the extracted folder, find the setup file and run it as administrator by simply right-clicking over it. Follow the on-screen instructions and install it. Once done with the installation, simply restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the next method, search for Intel DSA. From the search results, go to this first web page and download the Intel driver and support assistant tool. Now run the tool, accept the license agreement and install it. Once installed, click on launch and it will open your browser and scan your system to find if there are any updates or missing drivers available or not. If you don't see it here, then click on the available updates section and you can easily find the Intel RST driver, so you can click download and install it directly from there. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.